everywhere. They're everywhere. My Albion strawberries. I think they're going to be one of my faves. You can see I'm not even picking them. I've got strawberries everywhere. Everywhere. I wonder what you are. Something's gonna bloom. I wonder what you are. Okay, let's go harvest potatoes. You ready, Jaja? Potato. I think this is where they're blue potatoes, I'm pretty certain. But look at all these. So I'm just gonna set this up and I'm gonna start digging. You're supposed to plant fresh potato seeds every year. So these have been growing a couple of years. Let's see, am I getting the ground? I think so. So they could be all, who knows what's going on up under there. This may be an aborted, just may not work, but let's see. So, seems like there's some potato action going on right about here. So, let me get up in here. This is exciting and scary. Okay. Now, you know what? I don't know. Are these bad potatoes or good potatoes? I don't know. They look small. I'm gonna keep them. There's my potatoes. I should rinse them off, I suppose. Okay, so there's one. Okay. And then I got some biomass. Oh, wait a minute. There's more potatoes. Okay. Alrighty. Now these are a little bit, that one's already got roots. Who knows? Okay, so there's that. Oh, these look different. Okay. You're not getting any of this, are you? That was my first. See those? So now let's get on in here. I hope you're seeing, well, I don't know if you are. There's something. Are you even rolling? Wait a minute. Oh well. Let's see if I can get anything there. Looks like I'm already seeing potatoes. This is exciting. Okay, this looks like a real potato. And here's some little baby things. Okay, I guess now there wasn't a lot of biomass over here, but some did grow. Those are potatoes. Some potatoes. You know, do I want to rinse them off? I don't know if I should rinse. Oh gosh, here's another one. Okay. Well, it looks like I could eat these, is what I'm thinking. These little small ones, are those considered like seed potatoes? Okay. Whoa, whoa. Uh-oh, I just cut one. Ouch! But here's what they look like. Kind of, well, it's not the best picture. But here's some more potatoes. Well, there is more fluffy dirt over here. It's hard to tell, are these good or bad potatoes? Well, the good news is that this soil, from having the potatoes growing over here, creating a shade, they look, oh gosh, these are already sprouting. These could be my next little seed potatoes. So I'm gonna leave them because they'll grow right back, I'm sure. Here's one for there. Okay. Okay. See, now this looks like a good thing of potatoes. Wow, these look pretty good. Look at this. More potatoes. Okay. Yeah, here's Jaja over there. Ah. Oh my gosh, look at, okay, these potatoes did great. Look at all these little ones. Okay. I'm cooking. Look at all these teeny weeny ones. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. Wow, man, look at these. Look at that. These appear to be more little seed potatoes that I could get. Okay, this right here just made tons of potatoes in this little corner right here. This is pretty amazing. Woohoo! Uh-oh, there was one way down in there. Yes, there was a potato way down in there. Okay. It's a rock. Okay. That's a rock. Put that there. Wow. Pretty amazing. That is so wonderfully cool. Wow. This really is something else. Oh my gosh. Woo. Woo. Wow. Oh, I forgot about you. Okay, I did get some potatoes. Look at that. Look at those potatoes. And then those there. Might as well wash them off and see how they do. Let me just do what I'm supposed to do. Okay, now I'll clean my potatoes. Whoops. Uh-oh. I keep losing my potatoes. Oh, there's one. I keep losing them down here. They'll be growing over here next. Yay. Okay, I think they're edible. I'm not so sure, but that's my potato harvest that I planted 2 years ago. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't eat these things, but I am. And then maybe these babies I'll replant. Okay, woo! This is what my potatoes look like, and I'm hoping, man, they feel really crispy and full of water. I'm gonna make French fries. I hope they haven't been growing in ground for like 2 years. I found a carrot once upon a time and it was 2 years old and it was hard as a rock. So we'll find out what happens. I'm going to try to make French fries with my blue. They're pretty, aren't they? Look, they're called blue. Blue potatoes. That's the variety name, blue.
Oh my goodness. I can't even begin to tell you how good this is. I see more potato growing in my future. This is so good. My blue potatoes.